What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 businesses that you can start online from your mobile phone. And you can even do it if your mobile phone's broken like mine. This one is always bugging out, is playing up and waiting for a new one, but I still run businesses from this broken phone. And the best thing about running a business from a phone is you can do it from anywhere in the world. It's completely versatile and you don't need to have a laptop. I actually run multiple businesses from both a phone and a laptop, but a lot of the time I actually prefer to do it from a phone because it's easier to get out of my pocket, or should I say smartphone, because obviously you can't run a business with like an old school Nokia, but it's so much easier just to pull the phone out, check emails, run my business, do everything on a phone. And most of the traffic now online, over I think like 60% of it, is on a mobile phone anyway. All these smartphones are becoming more advanced. More and more people just running everything from a smartphone. So let's get into these 7 business models, guys, that you can run from your phone. These are the best that I've found, and some of them I'm doing right now, and some of them I've done in the past, and they work extremely well. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, and smash a like on this video. And number 1 is one that I started a long time ago. This is one of the things I first started doing online. Now, if you're quite young, this is perfect for you, and I was quite young when I did this, and this is called flipping products. So you can go to garage sales every single weekend or during the week whenever they're on, and you can go and find products for a price, and you can simply straight away upload them to Amazon or another site that's similar to that if you want, and you can just simply upload them straight away as soon as you buy these products, and you can upload them for a markup. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to go and start a business online because you can do it 100% on your mobile phone from anywhere. All you do is you go into your kind of like your local newspapers or your local Facebook groups. Those are a real good place to find these garage sales, and you go and you basically just find stuff for really, really cheap. And first you want to go on Amazon and see what they're selling for. So let's say you go buy a teddy bear for $3 and they're selling on Amazon for $10, then you're going to make a $7 profit. All you got to do is price check, see what they're selling for, and if the numbers add up and you can make money, simply buy that product from the garage sale, upload it to Amazon, and sell the product. It will eventually sell and you'll eventually make money. Now, if you do that multiple times throughout the day, you can make $100 a day, $200 a day, or you can just make a living every single week. I actually was making a weekly wage when I was doing this back when I was like 20, 22 years old, and I was flipping products with my mobile phone, finding them at garage sales, uploading them online, and I'll sell these products like probably 2 or 3 days later, sometimes maybe a week later at the most, but they would always sell. Probably one of my go-to methods to start a business with a mobile phone, especially if you're young and you haven't really got the skills or you don't really know much about other methods yet, definitely start flipping products by going to garage sales and uploading them to websites like Amazon via your mobile phone. Number 2 is really easy, and literally anybody can do this, and this is to become an online writer. You can write on your phone all day long. It's very easy to do. What you want to do is go to websites like iWriter.com and other similar websites. Sign up as a writer. And then what happens is people would submit articles and say, hey, I need this article written on the 10 best fishing tips, or I need this article written on how to make money online. And you simply go, okay, I'm going to do this article, so you accept the job, and then you simply just start typing. And it doesn't have to be great content, because a lot of these people end up editing it anyway. They just want some content to work with. Obviously, if you make the content better, then you've got more chance of them buying it from you. But all you got to do is sit there, even if you're watching TV, and just start typing. It's very, very easy to do. So number 2 is to become a writer. It's very easy to do. It's not very hard at all, and anybody can do it. Now, number 3, guys, is simple. And I hire people to do this for me right now, and that is to become a social media manager. So right now I pay someone every single week to go and manage my Twitter account. All they do is they send me a list of posts that they're going to be posting throughout the week. I approve them and they post those onto my Twitter. It's very simple. So you can become a social media manager. You can manage Instagram accounts, you can manage Twitter accounts, you can manage Facebook accounts, you can manage any type of accounts. People like me will pay you to do that. If you go to a website called upwork.com, you can apply to people who are looking for social media managers. And once again, this is a job that anybody can do. You don't need any skill. You probably already know how to do it. You simply go and upload stuff to social media for people. It's not a very hard job. It's very easy to do. And usually 99% of the time, the person that's hired you will have the content for you to do. So you don't have to do anything. You just simply post it. You're like a scheduler. You schedule post. Now, the reason we don't do it is because we're just too busy. So I recommend a social media manager, not a social media marketer, a social media manager to manage people's social media accounts. Now, number 4, guys, believe it or not, is to start a YouTube channel, and you can do it with a mobile phone. When I started YouTube, literally, no joke, all I would do was get my camera, put it up to my face, and start recording. That's it. I didn't have any fancy gear. I didn't have any fancy software. I would edit the videos on my phone as well. This is like 4 or 5 years ago now. Come a long way with editing software since then. I would edit everything on the phone, do everything on the phone, upload it to YouTube. Simply, you've got the application, you can upload it, and you can do everything. YouTube is very lucrative, guys. It can become a full-time business. This channel makes over $10,000 per month, and it just ad revenue, not including course sales and other sales as well with affiliate marketing products. YouTube, there's a lot of money to make, and you only need a smartphone to get started. You don't need all the fancy gear like everyone tells you, all the fancy lights and all the fancy cameras. In fact, this camera right in front of me is still one that I've had for a very long time because it works just fine. I don't need to upgrade it. Probably like in my top 3, probably should have been in the top 3, but that's number 4. Now, number 5, I don't have any experience with myself. I've never done this, but this is driving apps like Uber and Lyft, I think, is another one. We don't have that here, but Uber and Lyft. And it's really easy because a friend of mine actually does do this, and he says it's great because he can just be driving along and a job can come up, and then he can go and pick someone up, take them to where they need to be, and he gets paid money. And then you've also got things like Uber Eats as well. It's very simple, guys. You guys probably already know how to do it, but you just go and get these applications, you download them onto your phone, and then you go and do ride sharing and all that sort of stuff, and then you get paid in return to do it. I mean, it's such a simple business model. Install the app, get paid to take people from A to B. So that's things like Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Grubhub, all those sorts of apps. I know I talked about just driving apps, but you can also do the food apps as well. In fact, my friend that does Uber, he does Uber driving, and he also does the Uber Eats as well. He combines them both together to make more money. It's not really online, but you are making money through an app, so it is online, but you got to go out and actually do stuff. Let's be real, we should be going out and getting exercise anyway. Even though we're just in the car, we'll still be getting in and out of the car. So you don't want to be sitting online all day, every single day. You want to go out and exercise, so that's what these apps are great for, as well as to go out and actually get some sunlight, which is what I probably need. Number 6, guys, is another good one that I hire people to do as well, and that is called tech support. You can just type in tech support, and people will hire you to be a tech support person. That could be answering emails, being a chatbot online, doing kind of like any type of tech support, whether it be basic coding, anything. But one of the most common ones is a chatbot tech support. You go and sign up as a chatbot support, and what happens is when people go to a website, a little chatbot box pops up, and then they'll say, hey, I've got this problem, or I'm looking for this, and then you're on the other end, and you're going to answer the question. Now, this is really easy for anybody to do because the questions are really, really basic, and if the questions are hard, you usually create a ticket anyway and escalate it to the managers or someone else that can actually take care of the problem. So a tech support person will answer basic questions that anybody can know or anyone knows, and you get paid in return. You can get somewhere from like $18 to $25 an hour. I've seen even up to $30 or $40 per hour, depending on the company that is paying you. The most lucrative industries, make money online niche, anyone in the make money online niche, we pay quite a bit more money for tech support. Tech companies pay good money for tech support as well because obviously they have a lot of money coming in. And it's just a great way to make some money, guys, and you can do it from the phone. You could be at dinner and someone could ask a question and you could be doing it and you get paid to do it. Or while you're on the couch watching TV, you can literally be paid to sit at home and do nothing. That's why I like the tech support one, guys. So it's very simple to do and anyone can do it. Now, number 7 is one of my favorites. First, you would have to set this up on a computer. You probably could do it from a mobile phone, but it's just easier on the computer to start with. And that is dropshipping. So if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's when you take a product from a supplier, you advertise it online, someone pays you, and then the supplier sends it for you without touching the product. You can do this online because you can create your store online nowadays. You can find products, advertising on your mobile phone. Everything is on your mobile phone. In fact, I have some Google ads running right now. I have some Google shopping ads running right now on my account on one of my stores. And I can do it all from my mobile phone. So that's why dropshipping is great, because you can do everything from your mobile phone. You don't have to hold stock. You don't have to hold any type of inventory. And as you can see, yesterday we had 3,000 clicks. You can run a dropshipping business from a mobile phone. 100% for a mobile phone, although it is easier to do it on a laptop first just to set the store up and get the products inside the store. Then once that's done, it's all run from your mobile phone. And on that note, guys, that is probably my favorite business model to do from a mobile phone because you don't have any inventory. If you want to learn more about that, you want to learn how to start your own dropshipping business, I will leave some videos up on the screen that will take you through step by step how to start your own dropshipping business from scratch. And I'll also leave a playlist up there that will show you how to do it as well. And there's also some advanced training in there. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.